Hey you guys, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm pretty much going to be doing a quick craft, easy craft. It is something that is good to do with your kids. Me and my kids did it over the weekend. I even brought my husband's butt down in the kitchen. He was making it. He made one. We all have fun with it. There's different kinds that you can make, different styles. The one that I have is it's a glitter bracelet. You see the glitter just going around? Like, it's super cute. Super cute. And mine has black and gold bracelet, black and gold glitter. But of course, you know, my kids, theirs had all kinds of different things. You can put food coloring in the water, turn your water pink, make the water blue, like all types of stuff. And that's the only one that I had to show you because my kids took all of the bracelets, like even the extra ones. They took them to give to their friends at school today, so they're gone. That's all we got. We just got that one, and I had to hold on to it for dear life. But anyways, this stuff is really cheap and expensive. I actually went to Lowe's and got this. You can find this stuff in the plumbing section, and I got two different size tubes. I got a smaller size. This is 1/4, and I also got no, I got 3/8. Okay, yeah, 1/4 and 3/8, and pretty much it's really easy to do. Like the first few we made, you know, was trial and error, but I feel like I'm a beast at it now. I know what I'm doing. But you know, you got the bigger tube, then you got the smaller tube, and then to close it, you're pretty much just putting the smaller tube down inside of the bigger tube. We tried to seal it with just a glue gun, and some of them leaked. So please don't do what I did. Just do it this way. It works better. But yeah, so we about to get started on this because I'm excited to do it by myself now. By myself. All right. Okay, so the three that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing one with sprinkles. I did one for my youngest daughter who's in kindergarten, and she loved it. She wanted to give one to her best friend, so I'm going to be making a matching one for her best friend. I'm going to be doing another glitter one, and I also have like some loose beads here and whatever else. I'm going to do one filled with beads, so that'll be the three different ones that I do, that we're going to do. But first, before you get started, you definitely have to make funnels so that you can pour it down into these tiny tubes. Because trying to do it by hand, let me tell you, that's all I'm saying, it's not going to work. So you just want to start by pretty much grabbing the corner and just folding it over and making, come on now, and just making a tube pretty much. Shoot. There is no right or wrong way to make a tube. Alright, funnel. This is a funnel, not a tube. It's a funnel. Now let me see if this will fit down inside. Yes, that is perfect. Alright, I'm going to make about 3 of these, and then I'm going to come back. Okay, so these are my 3 funnels that I have. One for the small and the big one, and also one with like a little bit, this one's made with like much thicker paper, cardboard. So I'm going to try to pour the water in with this. I don't know how that's going to work, but we're going to try it. So I done already went on ahead and cut the small tubing. I hope this is small enough for her hand. It should be. And then I cut a tiny piece of the big one so that when we go to close it, you really got to squeeze this in there. But like, that's pretty much all you got to do, and it should be done. You can also put like some glue either on this or inside of here. That way when you go to put it in there, it can help it like adhere and stick. I had some super glue, but of course, you know, my kids, they left it open and it's all dried out, so we're not gonna discuss that. But yeah, that's where we're at with that. You can also seal this. I'm also going to do the same thing. Okay, that needs to heat up some more. But I'm going to end up putting some super glue down inside of both of these ends so that even if she does pop this off, the sprinkles do not come out. So pretty much all I'm going to do now is to just add some gosh darn sprinkles to it. Get my funnel and let's get to adding some sprinkles. So I'm gonna put the funnel down the side of there. It fits perfect. And then of course I'm just going to start pouring the sprinkles in. And my sun is up now. Try to get this done early in the morning, but it's okay. Alright, that looks like enough. As you can see, the sprinkles are now in the tube. Wow, I got a bunch of sprinkles in there. I still got some in the goddamn tube. Alright, there. Oh no. Hey Buns, nobody want to see you in your underwear, son. Did you go to the potty? No. Okay. So sprinkles just went everywhere on the floor, but you know what? That's all right. So pretty much got that in there now. Go down. Okay. So what I want to do now is I'm going to add a little bit of glitter in here. Now I don't want to fill it up because I do want her to be able to, you know, shake it around and have fun with it. So I'm not going to fill it all the way up with some sprinkles, because you know shaking it up is the fun part. And she just needs a pinch of glitter. That's it. Like I said, she's going to shake this around. So, ooh, shoot, that was a lot in there. And sprinkles is still coming out. Jesus. Okay. As you can see, I got the sprinkles like all, not the sprinkles, Lord forgive me, the glitter all the way up at the freaking tube of it. Okay, so it might be too much for her. Is she gonna be able to shake that? Oh yeah, she can shake that. Okay. I just had to make sure she could shake it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and seal the ends like I said. I'm literally just, is this hot enough? It'll do. I'm literally just gonna stick this down inside of there and just squeeze it until it fills up and allow that to dry. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other end, but you guys don't want to see that, so I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so while that one is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and try to do my beads. Now the beads, I don't feel like I need a funnel. I can just dump these bad boys right on down up in here. I got some actual beads that I'm putting in here and also some flat back, so I don't know how that's gonna look, but we gonna see. I'm using pink actual beads and some green flatbacks. It's trial and error. Shoot, I got enough tubing to experiment with, but what else? I'm gonna put a hint of glitter, I think, just a little bit, not too much, but I don't have pink for some reason. I don't know why I don't have pink glitter, and I don't want that dark green either. That's terrible. Definitely don't want no black. I guess I'm gonna have to use, wait, I got a little bit of silver. Okay, I got some silver, I guess. All right. No, I don't want silver. All right, I'm gonna use the I'm just gonna use this white, same one I just used. Just put like literally a pinch of this up in here, and I'm gonna be done. Is it going in there, you guys? No. Don't put no goddamn sprinkles in this bracelet, you fool. Alright, I got some glitter in there. I think, okay, maybe, Okay, I'm done. Now what I want to try to do is pour the water in the funnel. But I also want to add some baby oil. So should I do the baby oil too? Now over the weekend I didn't do baby oil, but of course I watched another video and I was like, oh yeah, they made baby oil. Maybe that would help it, you know, to move around and do whatever it's supposed to do. So let's see if this funnel even worked. Well, that was a fail. Now it sounds like my other son is up. Well, it's going in there, so it's not a total fail. Yeah, the baby oil going in there. Okay, I don't want too much. I need to put some water in here. Okay, so that's all. Okay, that looks really pretty. Okay, now I'm going to try to put some water in here. Hopefully, you know what, I'm not even going to do that on camera. I'm just going to tell y'all what I'm doing because I don't want to make a mess. But I'm just going to pour the water down on in here. Alright, you guys. I didn't get as much time as I wanted to because both my boys are up. So, you know, mama got to go cook for her boys. But I did want to show you the 2 bracelets that I did end up making. This is the one with the sprinkles. I'm not sure if you can see. There it go. Well, no, went right back out of focus. Come on. Not gonna show, right? Anywho, it looks really cute. It's got the glitter and the sprinkles, and she can shake it, and it's just really, really, really cute. And you're really not gonna do it. Did that help any? No, right? Okay. And then this is the other one that I did with the baby oil and the beads. You see it moving around?
Why are you that funny?
Look at that. I wish you guys could really see, like, you know, the details and stuff. But come on, camera, work. Do what you're supposed to do. Shoot. Anyways, you guys can see it. It looks really, really cute. Super cute. Oh, wait, it was right there. No. Anyways, if you guys have any questions on this project, please feel free to ask. Like I said, this was simple, quick, very cheap to do if you have girls. But like I said, my boys even made some. They just didn't do, you know, all the glitter and all of that. But like I said, you can put sprinkles in it. You could even leave it dry and put like small beads in it if you want. My husband made one that was, you know, the Dallas Cowboy colors. He loves them. So, yeah. And if you look, like even in this one, the water passes through the whole bracelet. Like even the, I did not like seal off that part how I did in this bracelet where the ends are sealed, so it can't pass through the whole bracelet. So like I said, that way if she goodness, that is on there. I did that good. If that is, you know, it won't come out or anything like that. So it is very kid friendly. Yeah, that's all. This video took longer than I thought, and my son's in his underwear right in the video. Alright, Buns, you ready to go eat? Okay, I will see you guys soon, and bye.